Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to run a Spearman's row correlation. Let me just move this video up here so you can see. Okay, so notice that, remember I said that if the data are not normal or if you have ordinal data. So in this data set we've got creativity, which is probably your animal or ratio data, most likely ratio data, and we've got position, which is the rank, and then we've got novice. So if I convert these, okay, that's what those mean. So I've got ranked data and I've got ratio data. So I want to run a Pearson correlation because I want to know if there's a relationship between creativity and the position that a person gets ranked on. So we go up here to analyze. We are going to go to correlate and we're going to go to bivariate again. And in this case, we're going to move creativity and position over. You can do your means and standard deviations. You can click continue. Notice that I want to uncheck Pearson and I want to do Spearman, and I want to flag the significant relationships, and I'm going to click OK. So we take this first one out. Whoops. Take that one out so we can see. Okay, so here is our correlation. So again, Andy talks a little bit about having a bootstrap technique. We don't have a bootstrap technique in this one, but we can look at the correlation coefficient between creativity and the position in the biggest liar competition. So there is a negative correlation, and this correlation is significant because this value is less than 0.05. So here we're saying that the more creative a person is, the lower they are, or the lower they are in the rankings. Okay, so better creativity, better position in the biggest liar competition.